Are you tired of this happening to you? You want to times a number by itself, but you just can't? Introducing square roots. So, you want to learn about square roots? A square root is anything times itself. So basically, if I were to times me by myself, there'd be 100, because I'm a 10 out of 10. Alright, now, look at this goth that I found in the woods. What's your name? Okay, now, if she can tell me what the square root of 36 is, I'll give her food and water. Looks like we're not getting any of that around here anytime soon. Fine, gentlemen here. Perhaps a couple. What is the square root of 81?
The square root of 81 is
9. Good. Now, unlike the goth in the forest was able to tell me, the square root of 36 is 6. You getting the pattern here? Of course you are, cutie. Hello, mid-staff of Santa Barbara High. Do you mind telling me your favorite square root?
Oh, wow, that's a tough one.
You're taking too long. Let's ask the math teacher. I'm here with the president of the Miss Blessing, my math teacher. Can you tell me, what is your favorite square root and why?
Oh, my favorite one, probably the square root of 9, because the square root of 9 is a perfect square and it's 3, and my number in college was 33.
It's very inspirational. Beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Square roots. Now, take a look at these bikes. They only have 2 wheels. There is no square root of 2. And why is that? Because you cannot divide there is no square root of 2. Now, take a look. Five Nights at Freddy's fan art. Now, take a look at some of these problems that I've circled here. I don't know where I'm going with this. Just like the bikes, the square root of 0 has no square root. This is because when you times 0 by 0, well, you get 0. And if you divide 2 by 2, you get 1, which is not 2. So therefore, it can't be the square root. Now, if you think math is for nerds, here's something while I chill with these birds. Math is cool and math is fun. That is fun as chillin' in the sun. Hey math class, let's hear you say. Let's learn about square roots for the day. Allow me to teach you the basics and let your mind stretch like latex. Square roots are times by themselves. Square roots are a form of division. Square roots cannot be negative. Square roots are hella figurative. Second verse about to hit you hot. Math isn't done just by robots. If I can do it, you can too. I failed most math classes in school. Don't worry about that, let's get back to math and how I got back on track. Started paying attention and being cool. Let's go over some problems that rule. The square root of 100 is 10. The square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 36 is 6. And the square root of 20 is 5. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. And the square root of 0 is 0. Now let's flip it up. Just do that backwards, cause timesing these will give you the answer. The square root of 100 is 10. You multiply what by what? You multiply that number again by itself. After this, I think you've mastered what it means to know the answer. You're a mathematic advancer. What is the square root of 100? Square root. Perfect. What is the square root of 100?
25.
25? 100. Square root of 100.
10.
Yes. What is the square root of 100?
10 times 10.
10? 10. Yes. Congratulations. Awesome. Thank you. Hey, you awesome people. What's poppin'? You mind if MC Croy asks you a question?
Hey, Ryan.
All right, everybody. Dogs 2. What's the square root of 36?
Come on, Rocco.
Yes. What's the square root of 81?
9.
Awesome. That was so quick.
Or -9.
All right, now this kind of presents a bit of a conundrum here because a negative times a negative is a positive. So the square root, say for example, hypothetically, of 81 could be 9 or -9. Negative times negative is positive. So why cannot the square root of a number be negative?
What is the square root of 81?
9.
Awesome, thank you. Hey, you big beefy hunks of prime short rib. You want to answer a math question for me?
Let's answer it.
What is the square root of 36?
Does it have a square root? 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, good
Wait,
call.
you got help.
I need to get some help. Let's give me another one.
You got another one? Okay.
Guys, give me another one.
Square root of 81.
Oh, that's 9.
Oh, good for you.
Thank you. Hey,
Hurry
thank
up,
you.
my guy.
Thank
Come
you,
on.
thank you, thank you.
Let's go. What is the square root of 4? Anybody know the square?
I don't know. Even 50.
All right. Wait, anybody here know the square root of 4?
69.
60. Cultured. Cultured, my guy. Square root of 4.
420.
420.
Can I put that microphone up?
Cringe. You wanna do what with the microphone? I'm with my boy Alec out here. What is the square root of 36?
Yeah, I don't know. There's decimals involved, isn't there?
No.
6? 6.
Six.
Yeah.
Let's go. What is the square root of 36? You have no idea?
No,
Really? Are you sure? You have no idea? You have no idea what the square root of 36 is? Really? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just can't help but notice that every guy here is hot.